going to make two different types of Palmier. So the first thing we're going to do is grease both dishes. The two different types of Palmier are going to be a sun-dried tomato, basil and parmesan. The other one's going to be a meat one, which will be a Parma ham and parmesan. So first of all, excuse me, quickly grease baking tins. Next up, get a little flour. Just put a little bit of flour on your work surface, and then get the puff pastry. Okay, the puff pastry will have this grease-proof paper on it. You want to get rid of that and put the pastry onto the flour. Just get a touch more and brush it off. Okay, now you want to roll it out slightly. Still just sticking. A little bit more flour on there. Just get it a bit thinner. Okay, that's good. Next, cut it straight down the middle. Okay. This half here is going to be for the meat Palmier, and we've got slices here of Serrano ham, which can be a little fiddly to get out of the wrapper, as you can see, but try and get roughly three pieces placed onto your pastry evenly. There we are, that's quite good. Okay, and then put on some Parma ham, like so. Next, you want to fold over to the middle, like that. And fold over to the middle. A little more cheese. And do the same again. And roll it over. For the other one, we have some sun-dried tomato paste. So it's more simple. Just whack that on there. So you've got a nice layer all over. Not too much because it'll go a bit oily and soggy. Parmesan over it, just like before. To the middle. To the middle. Some more paste down the middle. And some more cheese. Over they go. Right, when you cut them up, don't cut them too thick. I tried to make some before and I cut them all too thick, and they took ages to cut. So, get yourself a knife. And then what you want to do is cut them into about 5mm pieces. Right, once you've got those, these will all open up significantly, so you want to put them about 2 centimetres apart in the tin, and as they cook they will flare open. Right, we want to do the same with the other ones. Alright, if you want to keep on watching, I will cut up the other ones, but I imagine you understand the idea behind how they're made, so go and get on. I think that's going to be enough. Okay, that'll do. Now, for this one,